This loaf of bread looks simple: flour, water, yeast, and salt. But in 2026, this piece of toast is the most complex geopolitical puzzle on your breakfast table. You've noticed it. The grocery bill is climbing. You blame inflation, you blame the government, or maybe you blame the local bakery. But to find the real culprit, we have to look 10,000 miles away, to a place most people never think about. Welcome to the world of dark logistics. A hidden network of reroutes, war risk surcharges, and stranded fertilizers that is quietly dictating the cost of your survival. For decades, the Suez Canal was the world's shortcut. But today, because of escalating maritime conflicts, major shipping lines like Maersk and MSC are doing the unthinkable. They are abandoning the shortcut. This isn't just a detour. It's a 6,000-kilometer ghost tax. Navigating around the Cape adds 14 days of extra travel. That's 14 days of burning thousands of tons of low-sulfur fuel. But here's the dark part. Wheat is a low-margin commodity. If you're shipping an iPhone costing $1,000, a $5 shipping hike is nothing. But when a ton of wheat costs $300 and the shipping cost jumps by $100, the math breaks. And you're the one who pays for the extra fuel at the billing counter. Logistics isn't just about moving the final product. It's about the invisible ingredients. Right now, over 1.1 million tons of fertilizers are stranded in Gulf ports. When shipping lanes are blocked, the fertilizer doesn't reach the farmer in time for the planting season. If the farmer can't fertilize in March, the yield drops in September. This is what economists call a lagged price spike. The bread you'll eat after 6 months will be expensive because of a ship that is stuck today. To bypass these blocks, a shadow logistics network has emerged. Uninsured ships, carrying essential goods through dangerous waters. They charge a premium for the risk, adding another layer to your bread's price tag. When ships are rerouted, they all arrive at safe ports at the same time. This creates a global traffic jam. This leads to the most expensive word in shipping: demurrage. Demurrage is essentially a late fee for ships. If a ship can't unload because the port is full, the owner charges the importer up to $50,000 per day. 1 week of delay can add $350,000 to a single shipment of grain. The manufacturer can't absorb that cost. They have two choices: go bankrupt or raise the price of your loaf. You know which one they choose. For 30 years, we lived in an era of just-in-time logistics. Everything was cheap because everything was predictable. But that era is over. We are now in the age of just-in-case logistics. Countries are now stockpiling. They are paying more to secure safe routes rather than cheap routes. Your bread is no longer just priced by the cost of wheat. It's priced by the cost of global instability. So the next time you complain about the price of your sandwich, remember, you're not just paying for flour. You're paying for the fuel burned in the Atlantic, the war risk insurance in the Red Sea, and the late fees in a congested port. The world of dark logistics is invisible, but its impact is on your plate every single morning. If you want to understand the hidden forces controlling your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because the more you know, the less they can hide. Let me know in the comments, how much has bread costs increased in your locality?